Welcome everyone to another video. We are off for a camping trip and we are in a slightly different vehicle. We're in a motorhome.
Good evening, afternoon. I was just thinking, what time is it? It is 12 minutes past 4.
Woo!
Max is at the back there. Can you see Max?
Watching my iPad.
Watching your iPad.
I shouldn't really show it to you because copyright.
There's Richard driving, and we are in a little bit. Oh, sorry, I didn't see the thumbs up. Go on. Yeah. So we are in a little bit of traffic. We have just left home 2 minutes ago, and we are heading down to Dorset. We're going to Brickstop's place, to the halfway inn hub between Wareham and Swanage. So it's not far from Corfe, which is nearly halfway. That's why it's called the halfway inn. And then we are heading, so we're staying there the night. We're gonna have dinner in the pub. Hopefully it's gonna be a nice dinner. They normally do nice food. We know the pub well. We've been there several times. And then tomorrow morning we head to Swanage to Ulwell campsite. So looking forward to that. We have hired our motorhome, and hopefully we are gonna enjoy it, but hopefully not too much.
We're driving.
Busy today, packing. I've packed all of it, and I know they say you have to be careful because you don't want to overload it, but
Oh god, I mean,
so
the
much
cupboards are
more
still
room.
empty, aren't they?
Yeah, the cupboards are still empty.
Half the cupboards are still.
Yeah, they are. So yeah, all good. We're gonna have a good time tonight. We've brought some games.
Monopoly!
We brought Monopoly to. We've brought Hotspur Monopoly game, haven't we?
Yeah.
Which we started the other week. I've packed it all up, but I know where we all ended, so we're going to recommence our game this evening. So all good. Anyway, we'll catch you later. Bye.
Bye.
And it's a very frosty start to the day, but the beautiful blue skies makes it a pleasant morning. Last night we just parked up and got used to the hired van and ate in the pub here. There were no hookups at all, but the battery lasted and we had gas heating, so we managed and we had a great night's sleep. Today we are heading to Swanage and we have a couple of nights at Ulwell Holiday Park. You may recall that we've been there before, but we decided to go somewhere we knew and close to a town so that we could get used to the motorhome. A totally different leisure vehicle than what we're used to. And here we are passing through Corfe. Much more care is needed in the motorhome compared to our, what is in contrast, very small VW California. So welcome to Ulwell Holiday Park. All we have to do now is navigate this massive motorhome to our pitch.
That's it. Moved from the pub car park to Ulwell campsite. And we are now going to take a walk into Swanage, where we've been loads of times, so maybe not too many videos, but we'll show you the highlights.
So our weekend away happens to coincide with the annual Christmas lights switch on in Swanage High Street. Let's enjoy this once in a year event. Well, that was an anticlimax. Let's try that again.
Well, that was the Swanage light turn on. Didn't quite go to plan, as you saw. I've got my hood up, it's freezing cold. We're heading back to the van, we'll see you there. Morning. It is very late, it's gone 9 o'clock already, but we are had another decent night's sleep, but we have a dilemma. We're running out of water and the hose is about 1 metre short, so we may have to move the van to let the hose reach, unfortunately, because there's no other water point nearby that I can use. But the main aim of today is we are going to empty the toilet. Let's do that now. Actually, I don't think you need to see this. Actually, I will show you real quick. Little blue clip here, lift that up, put it towards you, out it comes, sloshing around, lovely, off to the Alsan. Okay, I won't show you this bit, don't worry. Done. Easy. Now we've just got to figure out the water situation, but first, breakfast. So, breakfast had. I'm now going to go, and it's a rotten day today compared to yesterday. It's drizzly, it's grey, and it's generally a bonkers British winter, but I am heading to reception now because we're going to go try the swimming pool out here, and then we're going to walk back into Swanage because we've got a personal thing that we need to take care of. But for now, I'm heading to the shop. I still haven't figured out how to do that water. I'm debating whether or not we should just, I don't know, try and get through. It's still 30% it says in there, so it's still like 20 or 30 litres, but you can probably use quite a lot when you keep going to the toilet in there. But so with that, we've got to move the van, we'll see. But we're heading to reception now to book the swim-in for hopefully 11 o'clock, if not 12 o'clock. It's Sunday morning, so I don't know how busy it's going to be, but we'll find out. Really nice campsite here. It's set in nice hillsides, Purbeck Hills down here in Swanage. There's lots of like static caravans as well that you can hire out, and it's getting really rainy now, so I don't want to damage my camera, so I'll see you in a minute. Okay, there we go, swim booked for 11 o'clock for an hour or so. They couldn't help us out at reception with a longer water hose or an extension or anything, and the shop is closed. So we either make do with the 30% we've got, or we move the van and then move it back again. I think we'll decide after swimming. Right, back to the van to get out of the rain or the drizzle. It's grotty. So going back to the water situation, our mind has been made up whether or not we're going to refill the tank because it now says it's empty. So we are going to have to. What's this? All this condensation is from overnight, so we're going to have to clear all that. Well, maybe we're not going to got to move it over a yard and then move it back again. But we'll do that, I think, after swimming in the hope that the rain has stopped. Bad planning when we pulled up on my part, I think. Never mind.
Oh, we didn't know, did we?
No. Oh, it's cold. It's cold.
That lady,
She was lying on the sofa.
I think she was having a little snooze, afternoon nap.
Right, we've just spent the afternoon in pubs in Swanage.
It's pouring down, by the way.
It's still pouring down.
Hello.
It's freezing, it's cold, it's wet.
What?
We've had the heating on a nice little cosy temperature of about 18 or 19 degrees.
It's going to be warm when we get into our...
Oh, we're looking forward to getting back in it.
Mama.
Putting our
my
feet up,
slippers
oh,
on.
and walking through puddles, drying our shoes off.
Me watching my iPad.
Max watching.
Stars.
Max playing Brawl Stars, Mummy
Drinking my air up.
drinking his air up. But it's typical
you
British
air up
winter.
your soul?
But you know, I loved it down by the Swanage coast because it was
Deserted.
abandoned and deserted, and it just felt
Wasn't
like.
as busy as it was yesterday. Was
No, it wasn't. But it was. Don't know. It just felt.
People went there, still.
Good luck for
It
Hyde
just
and
felt,
Dibden today, playing at 4:30.
Yeah, good luck.
Good luck, Dragon.
Just felt isolated. But now it's cold and wet. We're going back to the van. So
Your voice bit.
fingers crossed. Oh, so anyway, so we're walking through the campsite. It's still really misty around, as you can imagine. You can see motorhomes with their warm lights on the inside, which look very inviting. And that's going to be us soon. So, oh, we have a flood.
Oh, for you.
We have a flood.
You didn't have UPS.
I'll get this one.
So we have a flood.
Yeah.
Look at this.
How is
It wasn't like this morning. Rain's getting heavier. So we're going to have to go up and over. Let's follow Mummy.
I'll go get this one.
Okay, don't get muddy. Oh. Oh, the pleasures of camping, you can call it that, motorhoming, whatever, in English winter. Max has done a good shortcut. I think he's going to beat us, but we'll be drier. Good morning, everybody. Welcome here to the motorhome that we've hired for 3 nights. I'm going to do a real quick run around there. It's going to last about 2 minutes, just to show you what we hired and what we think. Starting at the front, working back. It is lived in. We're about to go home, so excuse the mess, but I haven't had a chance or the time to do it before. So anyway, from the front, here we go. The cab, very comfy place. It's full transit chassis. Automatic, which is really good. automatic, which is really good, especially if you're not used to driving anything this size. It does have all the sat nav and Apple CarPlay and that, but it doesn't seem to work. Certainly the sat nav on the built-in doesn't, because the guys already told us that the SIM card has been taken or removed or lost. But we can't find the connection for the Apple CarPlay, but the USB port that you may see down here somewhere doesn't seem to work at all. So we've just been using the phone on the dash, but you know, not the end of the world. Taking a step back on the left here, we have 3 small cupboards, plug socket over there for a TV port, which we haven't got. There's a TV in the back, I'll show you in a second. And up here, more storage, which we're just using for a bag at the moment. This side we have 3 cupboards above, and a diner area just here. Quite spacious, again, a bit untidy, but excuse us. Decent sized kitchen area here with plenty of workspace. We've cooked 3 or 4 meals, breakfasts and lunches and dinners in here, not a problem. Oven and decent sized fridge, not massive, because where a fridge could go is a wardrobe, which Suzanne likes, and that is the most important thing. 2 big drawers here and another one here, pans, cutlery, that kind of thing. In here, this side, we have the shower and toilet. We have used a shower a couple of times, just see what it's like. I think on site, if we had the facility, we would use the campsite's facilities, especially if we have to clean it and keep it dry ourselves. Obviously this is a hire, so I'm assuming it's going to get all cleaned and sorted out by the people that hire it. Cupboard above here, window here, let's open that, fly screen as well. This comes up like that. This is a window that opens if you want it to open. Cupboard up here for bits and pieces, hanging pegs, and the shower goes up there from the tap. It just pulls out on the hose and hooks up there. And at the back, this is where we've been sleeping. This is Max. Hi Max. This pulls out to about here and turns into a nice big double bed. There's some foam mattresses that sit on top of here. And there's all cupboards all the way around here, loads and loads of storage, which we are just using for clothes and towels and things like that. And here's the telly that I was talking about. So that is a real quick run around of the motorhome that we've hired. We like it, we love the luxury, we love the size, we love the room, the cooking facilities, the water, the toilet especially is brilliant, especially when you wake up at 5 o'clock and you want to go to the bathroom real quick. Oh, control panel. Really good, easy to use. It tells you all about the resources, so how much water you've got, how much electricity, that kind of thing, how the room climate. So yeah, resources, get a bit closer this time, come on. Tells you how much water you've got. All these other are self-explanatory. The room climate, turning hot water on, switches, which does the light switches and everything, blah blah blah. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, so it's just a quick run around. And that's it. So yeah, like I said, we do like it. It's a lot bigger than our California, but with that comes parking and going into city centres. We've stayed at a pub stops 2 nights ago, 2 nights here, and we haven't really had to move because we've walked into town. But might be a different story if we're going through the roads of Wales and we want to stop and see little car parks and see waterfalls and things like that. But that's food for thought. But to live in it and the luxury and the comfort, it's a thumbs up from all of us. Oh, one thing I didn't show you, another bed up here. That's where Max slept. So we slept at the back, Max slept up there. So that's it. So we're heading off now. We're going to check out and head home, and maybe we'll see you on the way. So real fragmented video this time, but hope you like it. Bye.